I was asked to make a video of some of these things that I made, so I will. So I've been working on them today. So I got the gold backside. I don't know if you can see that very well. So this one was made with an eggshell. And this is the eggshell as well. Stones there, the crystals on the outside. Put some more gold on this one. And then this green one. I really like the green. It's very pretty. I did the back of that one a little bit different. Give it a rougher texture. Crystals on the side and stuff. Let me know if you think the gold looks better. So, and then these ones are just the plain ones. I haven't painted them yet. This is another eggshell. This one's got like a ton of crystals on the back. I did that on purpose just to see how it would come out. And then this one. This is another eggshell. On the corners and that, so you can see the crack in the back. I think they're in the camera, kind of. And then this was like the stealth sight thing I was trying to make. I think it turned out pretty decent. It's the bottom. If you can see that. This way. Yeah, I really liked how that turned out. It turned out really nice. And then this one, it was supposed to be like a skull-like thing. I was trying to like do a crystal skull sort of idea and it didn't work out. But my daughter gave me a great idea. I can turn it this way and it's almost geode looking. I'm going to make something out of that, probably some sort of candle holder. I really love the colors and how that how the crystals turned out on that. Really nice. And then these ones are shells. Actually, some shells I found over the summertime and I crystallized them as well. That rim there on them. Don't mind my dirty hands, I've been painting it into stuff all morning. There we go. So that one I thought turned out pretty neat. And this one here, another shell. I noticed with the shell, the color tend to go around the edges and the brims. But the shell's kind of got that nice little flair to it and I don't have to paint those or anything. So.